Assalamualaikum everyone, Selamat datang and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Nurul Shamsul. So today I'll be doing an unboxing of hijabs made by Ameera Zaini. I'm super excited. I was gifted these hijabs when I was in Malaysia a couple of weeks ago. They were sent to me. I was given actually 3 of these boxes, but I gave one of them to my auntie because she helped me a lot during my time when I was back in Malaysia. Thank you so much, Maxwell. And I was also given this pretty big box from Ameera Zaini as well. I'm super excited because I've been looking at their Instagram, and by the looks of it, the quality, the designs and the colors that they have are so nice and beautiful, so I'm super excited to share what they have gifted me. So stay tuned. Okay, so first up I'll be unboxing one of these little boxes, and I'm so excited. I wonder what it is, but I just gotta say that I really like the packaging. It's black and white, it's pretty classic, it's really nice and chic. I like the ribbons that they have as well, and you can tell from the very beginning, like from the packaging, that they put a lot of effort into their hijab company, so I'm pretty sure that their designs will look amazing too, so I'm super excited. Okay, I think I'm gonna open up like this. I wonder if I can, I'm just gonna like take that up. Okay, so the big reveal. I wonder what it is. Oh, okay. So it comes with a card, and it just has an A and a Z, and at the back it says, "Hi there, you want to know what's beautiful? Read the first word again." It's you. You are beautiful. For supporting at Ameera Zaini Official, and don't forget to tag us on Instagram, and I'll be sure to tag you guys on Instagram as well. Thank you so much. Actually, thank you Ameera Zaini for sending me these gifts. I'm super excited to try them on. Okay, so they also have tissue paper as well, and it says just Ameera Zaini. So let's see what it is. Okay, so the first thing I saw was the AZ design on it. I don't know if they did it on purpose, probably did. So that's pretty cool. So this is kind of like a satin kind of fabric. Flamingos. So the design is watercolor flamingos, and it's super pretty. I love the colors of the flamingos, like the pinks and the beigey colors that it has. So on the designs it even has like, it even says Ameera Zaini next to the flamingos. That's super cute. I love it. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this is that I'm just going to tie it back up in the back. Okay, so I still have the tag on it, don't judge, but that is what it looks like, and it's actually quite nice. I'm gonna go over there and look in the mirror. Okay, so I've already taken the ribbon off from this gift box, and I'm excited to see what's inside as well. So the same thing, we have the Ameera Zaini tissue paper, we see the tag. I think they did do it on purpose, so you see the Ameera Zaini logo when you open it, and I think that's pretty cool. They pay a lot of attention to detail, which is really nice. It's really good for a company to do so. As you can tell, I think it's the same type of material that they use. It's satiny kind of fabric, and it also has the Ameera Zaini on its hijab. I wonder what design it is. Ooh, okay. So this time we have flowers, and I love flowers. This is so cool, so pretty, and it's pretty out there. So you have like bright green and these blue and these pink, but it's still really pretty. I've actually never had a design like this as well. I don't actually use patterns that much, but seen that I've been sent some really pretty patterns of designs. I think I'll be wearing them. Okay, so let's try this on. It's a really pretty design. I like it. I think it suits me. Even though they're like colors that I don't normally wear, like the colors that they chose for this design mix well together. So yeah, I really like it. Okay, so my next unboxing is of the bigger box. I wonder what it has. It's quite heavy, so I'm guessing there's multiple hijabs in it. So yeah, let's see what it has. Okay. Oh, something fell off. Okay, I'm just gonna grab what it has. So again, it has tissue paper to protect the hijab. Got something else. Okay. Oh, I got a postcard, and that looks like a bit of Turkey. Ooh. It says AZ Post of the Year. Okay, it's in Malay, the postcard, so I will try to read it. Okay. Dear Nurul Shamsul, cuba bayangkan selfie di atas kapal merentasi lautan selau Bosporus. Hurufan T apple panas, bunga-bunga ros mekar di perkarangan istana Topkapi. Bagil Turki Despasu Natala. Warna-warni Grand Bazaar, Hagia Sophia dan Masjid Biru. You could be the person to experience Istanbul with your honey. Stand a chance to win return air tickets, accommodation for two, and effortlessly with Ameera Zaini. Post the best picture of amazing you in any Ameera Zaini collection with the hashtag AZ Post of the Year. Yes, it's as simple as that. So right now, I think Ameera Zaini has a competition where you can go to Istanbul. So you can win a trip to go to Turkey, to Istanbul. So you get air tickets, you get accommodation, and you also get to hang out with Ameera Zaini. So I actually forgot. So Ameera Zaini is actually the name of an actual person, and she designed and started the hijab company as well. So if you have any Ameera Zaini hijabs, then please make sure to post a selfie, because you never know that you might be into to a trip to Turkey, and that is super amazing, because who doesn't want to go to Turkey? Okay, so I hope you guys didn't laugh too much when I was reading in Malay, but yeah, so this is what the hijab has. Oh, there's a lot of hijabs. Ooh. Okay, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hijabs in one box. And oh, I wonder what this is. I'll just check it out. Okay, so this is a pack of safety pins and whatnot, so that's really handy, and it comes in a really nice packaging as well, which is good. Okay, so what colors do we have? Okay, so we have like a grayish brown hijab, a dark navy blue hijab, a I don't know how to call this color, like a greenish grey hijab. So you can tell I'm bad with naming colors, and a dark purpley brown hijab. There's like a pink one, a greyish creamy one, and also like a nudish pinkish one too. Okay, I'm terrible at naming colors. I'm not even sure if I'm saying these right. They probably have names for each of these hijabs, but so far there are definitely colors that I would use, but to be honest, I've actually never used these type of colors before, so that'll be really interesting, or this type of color, but I'm open to anything, and we'll see if I suit these colors or not. Okay, so I'm going to, so they gave me 3 chiffon hijabs, and they gave me 4 satin ones as well. and with these hijabs, so the watercolors, they had the AZ printed, the AZ logo printed onto the hijabs, but these, they have like a metal AZ logo sewn onto it. Okay, so what you do is you tie the back again. This is how I would normally style my bawals. Yeah, I like it. What do you guys think? I think it looks nice. I like it. Again, I think if I iron this hijab, the point will look much nicer, but I like it. It looks really nice. I really like the color. So it is a satin shawl, and I'll try it on. What I do is I just pin it like so. Voila. Oh, this is really nice. I like this color. Awesome. So this is the second satin shawl that they've given me. I really like it. Super nice. I like how it drapes as well, as you can see the Ameera Zaini logo there. Okay, so this is the third hijab that I'll be trying from them. It's a navy blue shawl, satin shawl. And as you can tell, that all my styles that I use is super fast, easy and simple. I've worn navy blue before, so I quite like this colour. Okay, so the last hijab is like a, I can't really tell, it's a brownish greyish colour, or like a purpley colour as well. I think it looks different in different lighting. There you have it. The fourth hijab from the satin shawl collection that they've given me. Okay, so out of all the hijabs that Ameera Zaini has given me, my favourite one would have to be the Bawal Flamingo watercolour design. I absolutely love it. I think it's so nice, it's so pretty, it's different to anything that I've ever worn before as a hijab, so it's really nice. And it's always good to have a change as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I always post every Sunday at 10 o'clock New Zealand time, so I hope to see you guys next week on Sunday 10 PM inshallah. And also, I'm so sorry that I didn't get to do Tea Time Thursday this week because I was sick, and I wasn't able to do it unfortunately, and on that day I also had a test as well, which I had to give more priority to. So inshallah, hopefully next week I will be posting a Tea Time Thursday video for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope to see you guys next week again. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. Bye.